So have you ever wondered why some books or stories are loved by both kids and adults? The reason is popular literature talks about things that everyone can relate to, no matter what their age. For example, when kids read a story, they usually enjoy the fun, the action, or the magic. But when the adults read the same story, they often see deeper lessons like about family, sacrifice, or growing up. It's like one story, but it gives different meanings depending on who's reading it. A good example for this is Harry Potter. Kids see the spells and adventures, while older readers notice the struggles of friendship, identity, and even loss. That's why stories like this never gets too old for anyone. So in the end, popular literature crosses age boundaries because it's not just about the age, but it's about the shared experiences that connects us all.